Now I'm taking up the venture capital financing. Venture capital financing, it's a type of financing. Why venture capital? The type of private capital typically provided to early stage, high potential growth competencies in the interest of generating a return through an eventual realization of event such as an IPO or trade sale of company. To start a new company or to bring a new product to the market, the venture may be needed to attract finance funding. There are several categories of finance possibilities. If it is a small venture, then the venture can be rely on family funding, loans from friends, and personal bank loans. For more ambitious projects, some companies need more than what mentioned above. Some ventures have access to rare funding resources called angel investors. These are private investors who are using their own capital to finance a venture's need. However, these funding methods are rare. Apart from these investors, there are also venture capitalists, firms who are specialized in financing new ventures against a lucrative return. When a venture approaches the last one, the venture is going to do more than negotiating about the financial terms. Apart from the financial resources, these firms are offering. The venture capital firm also provides the necessary expertise the venture is lacking, such as legal or marketing knowledge. This is also known as smart money. Venture capital financing is a process. The venture capital financing process can be distinguished into 5 stages: the seed stage, startup stage, second stage, third stage, bridge stage. Of these stages can be extended by way of many stages as the venture capital firm it should be needed, which is done in practice all the time. This is done when the venture did not perform as the venture capital firm expected. This is generally caused by bad management or because of market collapse or a bit of both. Some of the schematics known as process data models. All activities that find place in the venture capital financing process are displayed at the left side of the model. Each box stands for the stage of process and each stage has a number of activities. Right side there are concepts. They are visual products, data gathered at each activity. This is a modeling technique. Now venture debt. Venture debt, that means venture lending. It is a type of debt financing provided to venture-backed companies by specialized banks or non-bank lenders to fund working capital or equipment purchase. Unlike traditional bank lending, venture debt is unavailable to startup and growth companies that do not have positive cash flows or significant assets to use as collateral. Now, venture debt providers combine their loans with the warrants or right to purchase equity to compensate for the higher risk of the default. For the reason, venture debt is sometimes considered as a hybrid form of financing between debt and equity. Now, what are the venture debt? Equipment financing. So, loans were used for purchase of the equipment such as network infrastructure. Now, accounts receivable financing, that is borrowing against accounts. They are shown on the balance sheet. Now, growth capital, the loans to achieve specific company milestones, sometimes used as a bridge to bridge the gap between two venture capital financing rounds. Third type of venture debt is only available to companies that have received or simultaneously taking on venture capital financing from reputed firms. The lender effectively piggybacks on the due diligence done by the venture capital firm. Financing terms. Venture debt lenders expect return of 12 to 18% of their capital, but achieve this through a combination of loan, interest, and equity returns. The lender is compensated for the high rate of default on these loans by earning incremental return from their equity holding in companies that are successful and achieve a trade sale or IPOs. Equipment financing can provide to fund 100% of the cost of the capital expenditure. Receivable financing is typically capped of 80 to 84% of the account receivable balance. Growth capital may match the amount provided as equity financing by the venture capital firm. Loan terms vary widely but differ from traditional bank loans. Repayment now ranging from 12 months to 48 months. The interest is only for a period followed by interest plus principal. Or a balloon payment, that means a rolled up interest at the end of the term. Interest rate varies based on the yield curve prevalent in the market where the debt is being financed. The accounts receivable and growth capital financing prime plus 3%. Now the interest rate are higher and financing may be offered between 14 to 16%. Collateral means venture debt providers usually require a lien on the assets of the borrower. Except in equipment loans where the capital assets acquired may be used as collateral. Now warrant coverage. The lender will request warrants over equity in the range of 5 to 20% for the value of the loan. So a percentage of loan's face value can be converted into equity at the per share price of the last, that is concurrent venture financing round. The warrants are usually exercised when the company is acquired or goes public, yielding an equity kicker return to the lender. Now, right to invest. The lender may also seek to obtain the right to invest in the borrower's subsequent equity round on the same terms, conditions, and pricing offered to the investors in those rounds. Covenants. Borrowers face fewer operational restrictions or covenants with venture debt. Account receivable loans will typically include some minimum profitability or cash flow covenants. Now, SWOT financing. It is stock and warrant of balance sheet research and development is a special form of financing. It is converted to young biotech companies access capital to finance their research and development via establishing special purpose entity. Innovation is vital to biotech firms. There is uncertainty of commercial viability and regulatory approval of new products and technologies makes innovation a very risky undertaking. Conventional internal finance of innovation is generally not possible because biotech firms tend to be small with meager profits and few cash resources. SWOT financing is used to encourage innovation by diversifying risk across wide financial markets. SWOT provides investors an opportunity to identify and finance underfunded yet attractive projects. To provide flexibility and liquidity for all the parties, the special issues of securities and raises finance via public and private offerings. One unit is a portfolio consisting of one share of the special funding equity and one warrant to purchase a share of the parent firm's common stock and a call option for the parent firm to buy back shares of SPE, special purpose entity. Now, seed money. A seed round, sometimes known as friends and family round or seed funding, is a security offering whereby one or more parties have some connection to a new enterprise and invest the fund necessary to start the business so that it has enough fund to sustain itself for a period of development until it reaches either a state where it is able to continue funding itself or has created something in value so that it is worthy of future rounds of funding. Seed money refers to money so invested. Social venture capital. It provides capital to business deemed socially and environmentally responsible. They are intended both to provide attractive return to investors and provide market-based solutions to social and environmental issues. Among these firms that deploy social venture capital are Acumen Fund, Tidus Bank, Colbert Group, Grey Ghost Ventures, a New Economic Foundation, Social Venture Capital Fund, Venture Sum Fund, Social Venture Partners, etc. Now, corporate venture capital. During a period of 2007 and 9, the financial services industry dominated and had a disproportionate impact of the world we live in. Given the profound effect that the financial services industry has on all areas of the United States, particularly healthcare, it is important to understand this industry. Corporate venture capital serves as a guide covering the following topics. Thank you.